Welcome, esteemed guests, to our journey to Babylon. Today, we embark on a quest for knowledge and wealth, guided by the timeless wisdom of the richest man in Babylon. This ancient book holds the secrets to financial success, passed down through generations of wise men and women. As we explore the 7 cures for a lean purse, we will discover the principles that have helped countless individuals achieve their financial goals. From saving money to investing wisely, these principles are as relevant today as they were centuries ago. So sit back, relax, and let us take you on a journey to wealth and prosperity. In The Richest Man in Babylon, George S. Clason outlines 7 principles for achieving financial success. These principles are commonly referred to as the 7 cures for a lean purse. By understanding and implementing these principles, anyone can achieve financial stability and wealth. The first principle is to start thy purse to fattening. This means that you should always pay yourself first by saving at least 10% of your income. By living below your means and saving consistently, you can build a solid foundation for your financial future. Saving money is a fundamental principle for achieving financial success. By living below your means, you are able to put aside money for the future and avoid falling into debt. This may mean cutting back on unnecessary expenses, such as eating out or buying expensive clothing, but the long-term benefits are worth it. For example, imagine that you are able to save just $50 per week by packing your lunch instead of eating out. Over the course of a year, this adds up to $2,600 in savings. That money can be used to pay off debt, invest in the stock market, or even take a vacation. By starting your purse to fattening, you are setting yourself up for financial success in the future. Controlling your expenditures is a critical step in achieving financial success. By keeping track of your expenses and creating a budget, you can identify areas where you can cut back on spending and redirect those funds towards your financial goals. One useful tip for controlling your spending habits is to use cash instead of credit cards for everyday purchases. This can help you stay within your budget and avoid accumulating debt. Another helpful strategy is to wait 24 hours before making any major purchases, giving yourself time to consider whether the expense is truly necessary. Investing is a powerful tool for growing your wealth over time. By putting your money to work through various investment vehicles, you can earn a return on your initial investment and potentially multiply your wealth many times over. One of the most powerful concepts in investing is compound interest. This refers to the ability of your investments to generate earnings, which are then reinvested to generate even more earnings. Over time, this compounding effect can lead to significant growth in your portfolio. For example, let's say you invest $1,000 today in a mutual fund that earns an average annual return of 8%. After 1 year, your investment would be worth $1,080. But instead of withdrawing your earnings, you leave them invested, and after another year, your investment would be worth $1,166.40. Over time, this compounding effect can lead to exponential growth in your wealth. It's important to note that investing does come with risks, and there is no guarantee that your investments will always increase in value. However, by starting early and investing consistently, you can take advantage of the power of compound interest and potentially grow your wealth significantly over time. In conclusion, The Richest Man in Babylon offers timeless advice for achieving financial success. By following the 7 principles outlined in the book, anyone can build wealth and secure their financial future. The first 3 cures for a lean purse, starting thy purse to fattening, controlling thy expenditures, and making thy gold multiply, are crucial steps towards achieving financial freedom. By living below your means, budgeting effectively, and investing wisely, you can set yourself up for long-term financial success. But it's not just about accumulating wealth. It's also about using that wealth to create a better life for yourself and those around you. Whether it's through giving back to your community or pursuing your passions, financial freedom allows you to live life on your own terms. So I encourage you to take action towards your financial goals today. Start by implementing the principles outlined in this presentation and make a commitment to building a better financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.